Hello students, once again welcome you back to GK's maths class. Today what we are going to do is we are going to learn how to square a 2-digit number and a 3-digit number using so-called this word called tricks, okay? And we are also trying to understand, okay, what is the mathematics behind the trick, okay? I think that is very important. Once we understand the mathematics, then trick is very easy to remember and easy to follow, okay? Trick alone is not going to help us to deal with mathematics. Okay, let us see how we are going to understand the tricks and how we are going to make our life easier by squaring a huge 2-digit number and a 3-digit number. Okay. Now, first of all, to do this, I need the formula. I need a very basic a plus b whole square. Now, what is a plus b whole square? It is a square plus b square plus 2ab. I think this everyone knows. A plus b whole square, basic algebra. A square plus b square plus 2ab. Now the question is, I want to find 59 square. Now how do I square 59? Okay. The rigorous method, the mathematics behind that is, I will write 59 as 50 plus 9 the whole square. So when I write 50 plus 9 the whole square, it will be a plus b the whole square. What is a plus b the whole square? 50 square plus 9 square plus 2ab. Correct? A plus b the whole square. Now what is 50 square? It is 2500. 9 square is 81 and 2ab is 900. If you add all this, you get 3481. This is too rigorous. Or otherwise what you should do, you take 59 and then multiply it with 59. So you have to multiply, you know how to do it. Now the easiest trick here is 59 is a 2-digit number. So when I square a 2-digit number, I am going to get a 4-digit number. Correct? So when I get a 4-digit number, it is going to be in the 1000th place or in the 100th place, 10th place and unit place. Okay? Now what I will do, I will take this 59 square as, I will understand it as 5 and I will understand it as 9. I square 5. If I square 5, I get 25. Now why do I write here? If I have to only teach you trick, I'll say write 25 here. Now why do I write here? Because it is 2500. So it has to be 2500. I don't have to write the zeros. So it is just writing 25. Now you square 9. What is square of 9? It is 81. 81 is a 2-digit number. So it is 81. 10th place and unit place. So very simple. Square the first number right here. Adjacent to that, write the square of the next number. If I have to talk in terms of tricks. Square 5, 25. Square 9, 81. Done. Now what you do? You multiply all these three numbers. That is 5 into 9 into 2. What is 5 into 9 into 2? It is 90. Now it is not 90. Actually it is 900. So that is why when they teach you trick, what we say is, don't write here, but you write 90. They tell you to write 90. When you write 90, it is understood it is 900 because you are writing it in the 100th place. And if you don't write anything there, we assume that it is 0. Now add all of them. What do you get? 1, 8, 14, 3. So you get the answer. You see this? It's so simple. Without doing all this, without doing multiplication, just square the first number, square the second number, multiply all these three, write it here, add them, get the answer. We'll try one more. Now what is 99 square? 99 square is, it's again a 4-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Just for understanding, I'm writing. Now you square 9. If you square 9, what do you get? 81. Right here. First 9 if you square, you get 81. Now square the next 9. If you square the next 9, what do you get? Again it is 81. Correct? Now you multiply 9, 9 and 2. 9, 9 and 2. Which is 81 into 2. What is 81 into 2? 162. I cannot write here. So it has to be 162. Now add all of them. 1, 0, 8, 9. So the answer is 9801. Understand the meaning again. When I square this, I'm writing it here because it is not 81, it is 8100. I am not writing those two zeros there. Then when I square the next 9, it is 81. It's a 2-digit number. That is why I comfortably write here. Then it is 2AB. What is 2AB? 1620. So that is why I skip one place and I write 162. It is not just 162, it is 1620. Now add them, you get the answer. Isn't this easy? Okay. Maybe you can try more questions on 2-digit number. It will work for any two-digit number, rest assured. Okay. If you try anything and if you are not able to get, you can always get back to me. Now, let us look at square of 3-digit numbers. How do I square 3-digit numbers? Now look at the answer. 315 square, I can write it as 300 plus 15 the whole square. Again, I use a plus b whole square, and when I add, this is the answer I'm supposed to get. Now, how do I use the trick? This is the mathematics, okay? Or you multiply 315 into 315, you get the answer. That is tedious. Now, how do I get it in short? How do I use a trick? This is useful when you're doing high calculation. It's easier for you, okay? Now, what is 315 whole square? It's a 3-digit number. When you square a 3-digit number, you will get 6 digits, isn't it? So, 1, 2, 3. Let us assume that in each place, I put 2 digits. This is 2 digits, 2 digits, and 2 digits. Okay? 2 digits, 2. So there are 26 digits. Now you split this 315 into two numbers. One is 3 and other one is 15. Split it as 3 and 15. Okay? Now what do you do? Square 3. If you square 3, what do you get? You get 9. If you square 3, you get 9. Right? I wrote it here. 0, 9. Okay? 9. So it's finished. This part is over. What is square of 15? Square of 15 is 15 into 15. What is that? 225. What is 225? 225. Write 25 here. Write 25 here. And take this 2 and put it here. Because you can write only 2 digits. You can't write 3 digits. So 225, you write only the 2 digits here, that is 25, and keep the other one here. Okay? Now what do you do? Multiply 3 with 15 with 2. What is 3 with 15? 45. 45 into 2 is 90. So put it here, 90. It's perfect. Now add all of them. What do you get? 25, 92, 92, 9. Isn't that the answer? Again, I'll repeat. First you take 3 and square. If you square 3, you get 9. Write it here. Then take 15 and square. That is 225. Now 225 is a 3-digit number, but here you can put only 2 digits. So put 25 there, keep the 2, this 2 there. Now you multiply 3 with 15 and 2. 3 with 15 and 2 will be 90. Put it there. Now add all of them, you get this. Now you go to the mathematics. See, when I say 3, I am not squaring 3, I am squaring 300. So it is actually 90,000. See, 9 followed by 4 zeros. So that is the understanding that you should have. We are basically using a plus b whole square and putting them in a suitable place. Instead of dealing with thousands, you are just dealing with small numbers. That is why the trick becomes easy. I hope this is clear to you. Now let's try one more question. 524. 524 square. How do I do that? It's a 3-digit number, so there will be 6 digits when you square them, right? 1, 2, 6 digits. Now what is square of 5? First we square 5. This is 25. Square of 5 is 25. Now take 24 and just square it. 24 and square. 24 square is 576. Okay, everyone knows that. Write the 2 digits. 7, 6. 5 should be written here because it's a 3-digit number. Here you can put only 2 digits. So put the 5 there. Now what do you do? Multiply 5 into 24 into 2. This is your 2AB. This is A square. plus b square plus 2ab. What is this? 240. But this is again a 2-digit. You can't put 240 there. So put 40 here and carry this 2 here. Now what happens? Add 76, 45 and 27. That's the answer. Isn't it? If you want, we can try one more question. 625 the whole square. What is 625 the whole square? 1, 2, 3. It's a 6-digit number. What is square of 6? 36. 6 square is 36. What is 25 square? 625. So you'll put 25 here and take 6 there. Now it is 2ab. 2ab. What is 2ab? What is this? 50 into 6. It will be 300. Correct? But I can't put 300 there. So what do? Put 2 zeros and carry 3. This 3 zeros is put over here, carry 3. Add them. 2, 5, 0, 6, 39. I'm sure now you will be able to get the square of 2-digit number and square of 3-digit number easily. Not just by tricks, but also you understand the process that is involved when you write the elements in such a position that you are not just doing a trick, but it is pure mathematics, that you basically use a plus b whole square and take into account in your mind the place values. Okay, so never learn maths only by tricks. Also understand the base that is involved in the trick. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. We will come up with more videos in the subsequent things. So kindly subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon and click on the like. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day. See you again.